Okay guys, I am replacing the headlight for the 2008 Ford E-150. I bought it in Amazon for I think about $100, and they look really good. I like them. The condensation on the right side of the headlight, it never dried up, so I just decided to replace them. And also you have to remove the two bolts on top, and then there's two more bolts under the housing. I had to unscrew the turn signal light so I have a better access of the headlight. And the headlight has a plate and has two screws on the top and also two screws on the bottom. Once the headlight is attached, just screw back the plate, the four screws on the top, two screws on the top and two screws on the bottom. I used a 10mm socket wrench to screw back the bolts. There's two on top and there's also two on the bottom under the housing. This is how it looks once the headlights are both installed. You see how bright it is. That's on a low beam.